Hello, nieces and nephews, this is your Uncle Bill. Welcome to the new Chrome. New Chrome looks a lot like old Chrome. However, there are some changes. Before we get going, this is going to be a quick video. Follow the bouncing cursor or circular red thing that you're going to see on your screen. Down here on the lower right, there's Customize Chrome. We have the option of changing the background. I'm in Classic Chrome. I'm not going to change that, but you can see you have lots of options here of other backgrounds that you can use. I personally like a solid black background. Just leave it the same and go on. Shortcuts. We can have all of our shortcuts. These are my program shortcuts that I put into Chrome. Now, you can have Chrome select them for you. There's 3 options with shortcuts. We have My Shortcuts, we can have Most Visited Sites shortcuts, and we can have Hide shortcuts. In other words, not show any of them. Next, cards. What are cards? Cards are these things that you're seeing down at the bottom of the screen. One is recipe ideas, and the other one, which I managed to, if you've closed the tab, then Chrome won't see it. I had it just a little while ago, so there is one problem with Chrome. Let's see, am I showing a cart in Amazon? Yes, I am. There's one in my cart. And let's go back down to cards. So this is not a feature that you can actually depend upon because it should show both my recipe and my thing that is in my cart, which is not showing on Amazon. So there's one thing to be aware of. It isn't going to catch. I thought it was going to be a wonder cure. This is basically the different color schemes. If you want a simple color scheme like I have now, this is the one that I have, and you have all sorts of other ones you can choose. You always have to have one folder open. Watch what happens the minute I close this folder, and it'll happen. Now what Chrome does is that it will open up one of your groups. I thought it was the one to the immediate right, but on my last take, it opened up this one. It doesn't really matter. I can't close all of the groups. There always has to be one folder open. Just remember that, and it'll make your life a whole lot easier. Last night, I was like, I was thinking, I'll get all efficient, and I'll make it so that only I have 3 little tabs, and I'm all set, ready to go. And then I got to this, and I had all of these tabs out here, and I'm like going, I can't close it. Well, if I add one more tab, now I can close it, and I have my tabs. Problem solved. That's the one little glitch, and we've discovered another during this take. I love you all. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye. And to be able to see what's in my cart.